Welcome to What is AI? Explained Simply. In this video, we'll demystify artificial intelligence, breaking down complex concepts into easy-to-understand explanations. Whether you're a curious beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this is for you. Stay tuned to learn how AI is shaping our world and what the future holds. At its core, AI is about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Why is it important? Because AI is revolutionizing industries, automating tasks, and solving problems that were once thought impossible, making our lives easier and more efficient. There are generally three main types of AI, categorized by their capabilities: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligence. Let's explore each one. Narrow AI, or artificial narrow intelligence, ANI, is designed for specific tasks. Think of it as specialized intelligence. It excels at one thing, like playing chess, recognizing faces, or predicting weather. Most of the AI we use today falls into this category. General AI, or artificial general intelligence, AGI, would be able to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across a wide range of tasks, just like a human. Superintelligence, or artificial superintelligence, ASI, would surpass human intelligence in every aspect, including creativity and problem solving. These are still largely theoretical, but they are the ultimate goals of AI research. So how does AI actually work? At its heart, AI relies on algorithms and data. It learns from patterns and vast amounts of information, allowing it to make predictions or perform tasks. It's like teaching a child by showing them many examples. Machine learning, or ML, is a core component of AI. It's the process by which computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Instead of writing code for every possible scenario, ML models are trained on data to identify patterns and make decisions on their own. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks inspired by the human brain's structure. These networks have multiple layers that process data in complex ways, allowing for highly sophisticated pattern recognition, like understanding speech or identifying objects in images. AI is already integrated into countless aspects of our daily lives and is transforming industries. Let's look at some practical applications you might already be familiar with. In your everyday life, AI powers voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommends movies on Netflix, and helps navigate with GPS. It's quietly making our digital interactions smoother and more intuitive. In industries, AI is revolutionizing healthcare by assisting in disease diagnosis and drug discovery. In finance, it detects fraud and powers algorithmic trading. From autonomous vehicles to personalized education, AI is driving innovation across sectors. The benefits of AI are immense. It brings unprecedented efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex work. It helps solve critical problems, from optimizing supply chains to predicting climate patterns, ultimately enhancing productivity and innovation. While AI offers incredible potential, it also comes with challenges. Ethical concerns, data privacy, and the impact on employment are important considerations as AI technology advances. Ethical AI development is crucial. We must ensure AI systems are fair, transparent, and accountable, avoiding biases and protecting user privacy. Debates around job displacement and autonomous decision-making are ongoing, highlighting the need for careful consideration as AI becomes more powerful. The future of AI holds boundless possibilities. From personalized medicine to truly intelligent robots, AI will continue to reshape our world, potentially creating solutions to some of humanity's most pressing challenges. It's an exciting journey of discovery and innovation. In summary, AI is a rapidly evolving field that encompasses machines capable of learning, thinking, and solving problems. From narrow applications to the theoretical general and superintelligence, AI is transforming industries and daily life. As we move forward, responsible development and ethical considerations will be key to harnessing AI's full potential. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more content. And if you know someone who'd enjoy it, feel free to share. It really helps the channel grow.